Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can compress your photos without losing the quality, and you don't even need any third-party application. You can do it over any of the browser you have, and you don't even require any sign-in or anything. That's a totally free process. So just simply open any of the browser over any platform and just simply in the search bar hit Scoosh. Once you do that, just simply open this website which is scoosh.app. Just open this website and it will ask you to add the image you want to compress. Just simply hit OK, and here you can see I can open the image I want to compress. Now you can see without losing the quality of the image, I can reduce the size. You can see I can reduce the quality as much as I want. You can see 40% of my quality has been decreased, and the size and the original quality of the image remains the same. So from here I can download this image and save it to my device. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.